Hak jingilang kitbok kitwang gablalong apo Elias school Mynken keskila don lang u director ketenat uba FM dop MCS bode we niki kena belapas nagani ke school lagi por undang red habakren kumukongsan uba dop omla ban klet iki por baga jinglong kena ke jing u bat udang ken mausa ya kedur kedar jong jinglong gani ke school bat kumnu ujui lekai football balaki parlok kena baya pulilang habang Mynken kumukongsan uba dop ulong kumakila trai shitam nado ka kedani kun ke district bat kumjo ke state level mentakala de ke por iki kena ban trai shitam nagam ta banyak kun Ban wanra ya kejing job napo Delhi. Dolor kata ulah benrap ya kejing don kam. Baderu bandon ya kata ke disiplin nado bakilami tak nado bakinawan pai shalai. Kebelawan ban ya kitbok ya ki kena agni kesigi kentob yu deputy director ketenat Hiar marak. Nanta assistant director ba CW Dunai. Bad u district sports officer ke East Hills district ba George Lengdo. Bad ba don langru Reverend Father Edmund Gomes rector. Reverend Father Alphonse Rongren vice principal. Reverend Father Genesis Wanyang, Bat Pelayoru ya kejingkranu principal ke school, u Reverend Father Sebastian Palati. Hadin belawai ke program nakaliang principal bat ubadop kilawan cakmat ban IT yang lama jong ke school hau coach penjelami kini ke kenhun. Ketawa syau Bobby El Longbet, football coach ke office jong UDSO East Hills District. Kumgani kejo kejingelang la pelangru nakam daga kenhun kita ila kaya jong ke Mynken Higher Secondary School hakabala kitbok kedriang di ke officers jong ke transport bat kamtam da ki dekot nongilam jong ke Riboy District Sports Association.
So I left the school in 78 and went and joined along Father Sebastian in the junior at Maula. So it is always good and nostalgic to be back and see so much development have gone by. And I really am proud to be back, and so for such an occasion, all the students for having won the state level and now represent the state in the name of the school. So I'd like to congratulate especially our dear youngster, the under 14 boys. You are the chosen one for this year to having the opportunity to represent the state. Now, in this place, I think as the MC has said, you are the Elias school. But I think once the team leave the boundary of the school, I think you will be known as the Meghalaya team, though represented by the Elias Higher Secondary School. What we want to from you, what we expect from you, is so much. As the Babu has already said, the only aim that we want is for you to bring the cup back.
The team to shake hands, hug the members of the team and wish them the very best. So feel free, come wish stars. Thank you.